right, that's our frozen corn. Have a pound of bacon that I chopped up right in there with our corn. This is gonna be a super easy, delicious barbecue side dish. 2 whole onions diced right there with our corn and our bacon, all on our Blackstone. This is gonna be so yummy, you guys. Of course, we need to add some minced garlic. Add as little or as much as you like. I'm just using what's left over in my jar. Come in with our spatulas and kind of start getting that a mix. Oh, look how steamy and delicious this is gonna be. Oh my. So I use frozen corn for this, but you can use canned, you can use fresh. You have that delicious bacon that's gonna cook up beautifully. Those onions are gonna cook up, and this is gonna be a side dish that everyone will be asking for more. All right, let's flatten that out so we can start seasoning this up. I have my fajita seasoning mix. You could also use taco seasoning. And I have 2 packages of this because this is a big serving and we wanna make sure it has a lot of seasoning. So that's the first one. And here's the second one. Super easy. You can add whatever seasonings you like. If you don't like the fajita, you could just do some garlic and onion powder. But I kind of like how this adds like a little bit of a Mexican flair to our corn. And then of course, we have to add our classics. We have some pepper. And we need to make sure that all that corn gets seasoned. Oh my. And then, of course, a little bit of salt. Combat the sweetness of the corn. Now, we just used avocado oil to season our Blackstone, but you could use butter. Also, just make this in a skillet if you don't have a Blackstone. All right, come back with our spatulas. And we're gonna keep tossing, making sure that seasoning gets evenly distributed. Make sure everything gets all nice and coated. It smells amazing already. Who doesn't love corn? Who doesn't love bacon? This is gonna be a winner. Oh my goodness. This is the best barbecue side dish. We have some ribs cooking on the actual grill. That's gonna go so beautifully with this corn. All right, flatten that all out. We have it on medium heat. And now we can close this baby up. Let it cook. All right, let's check out our roasted corn and bacon. Oh my goodness, it smells delicious. Woo! You can hear it popping. This is gonna be so good. We got a nice little roastedness to our corn. Our bacon is fully cooked. Side dish is ready. It was on the Blackstone for about 10 minutes and we just mixed it up a few times. So I have over here my bowl that I'm gonna just place on my side. And then we're gonna grab some of this delicious corn. I'm not really good with these, so don't judge me. All right, let's give this a try. Woo, looks so good. It's gonna be really hot. Oh my goodness. This is so good, you guys. You have to try it.